Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's an update for Google Chrome, as we often have every week. But this is very interesting because it doesn't seem to be any security updates this week. From what I see, there's a blog post, and the log seems to be just bug fixes. So I guess this week, nothing important or nothing showed up. So they have decided to still release a weekly update, but this time for bug fixes. So in the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome, and you'll be pushed to version 141.0.7390.6566, depending on Mac, Linux, or Windows. And like I said, nothing really important except if you have problems, because it really seems to be only some bug fixes for the week. So this means that I don't know what's going to happen with the Chromium browsers. Maybe they will not update this week, or they will update with some of the bug fixes that were in Chromium maybe. So this is going to be interesting to see if they follow up. And so check it out. And sometimes, there are security flaws that are fixed that are unique to specific browsers. So, there could be an update on your browser that you're using, because maybe there could be a security flaw for that browser, but not a Chromium general flaw that everybody has. So kind of a special week here for that. No security fixes, just bug fixes. A big list of bug fixes too. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.